Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to make a crab salad that's amazing. We're going to put it on croissants. You can put this on chicken and a biscuit crackers if you like. And don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So let's get started. So we have 1 pound of imitation crab that I've chopped up. And to that I am going to add half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 a cup of celery minced, 1 shallot minced, and we have some seasoning. We have some paprika, salt and pepper, and some dill weed. And by the way, the entire recipe is in the description. Now we're going to mix this up. Of course, you can use real crab if you like. We're using imitation. And if you like this a little more creamy, you can certainly add more mayonnaise. Now that that's mixed up, we're going to put some saran wrap on it, and we're going to put it in the fridge for 1 hour to chill. There's a saran wrap or cling wrap that sticks to itself better than anything else in the world. Okay, in the fridge for 1 hour. Alright, so we're going to put some crab salad on some croissants. And we're going to give this a taste test. This smells really good, and I tell you, I couldn't help myself. I put some on a chicken and a biscuit cracker, my favorite cracker, and it was amazing. It's perfect for Super Bowl or appetizers or just a dinner. There we go. Let's give it a taste test. Alright, so here are our taste testers, Trevin and Jaden. So try the crab salad on a croissant, see what you think.
It's very good.
Thanks. Yeah, that seasoning is spot on. It's really good. So this is better than you're going to buy at a deli or in a grocery store. So check out the recipe, give it a try, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
See ya.